We are a professional machining factory from Shenzhen. Let us walk into the factory. Our factory provides high-precision CNC machining services. We have 40 milling machines and 20 turning machines. We focus on machining high-precision metal and plastic products. We are a big family including 30 workers. We objected to fabricate the best quality products for our customers. We uphold the customer-oriented concept. Except the CNC, we also have metal stamping work, springs machining work, and screws machining work. We have entire QC process. The quality of our products is welcomed by customers all over the world. Welcome to contact us with your ideas. Thanks for watching.